Hi everyone, in this video we learn how install free SSL in Plesk. You just log in your Plesk panel. After logging into a Plesk, select a website and domain where you want to install SSL. And click on the hosting and DNS option. And then click on hosting setting. Check SSL/TLS support option and permanent SEO safe 301 redirect from HTTP to HTTPS option under the security. Enable both options, then scroll down and click OK. When settings are updated, you will redirect on dashboard page. Scroll down and select SSL/TLS certification under security. Choose first option, install a free basic certificate. Click install. You will see some options are open on left side of screen. Select the according to use requirements, then click get it free. You will get successful message on the top right side on the screen. If when check SSL has been installed or not. For your confirmation, just open a new tab on your browser and search your domain and check SSL has been installed or not. Thank you for choosing GenX Web Hosting.